Lina, your game is there already.
You go to America. What did you do there?
No.
Going to China.
No, I'm not. I hate China.
Let's go to China.
I hate China. I don't
But
like
the
China.
items that you bought from Shopee is from China.
I didn't know.
Let's go to China, okay?
No. Only one day, okay?
China.
China took over our sea.
How about your Chinese subscribers? You have Chinese subscribers.
No, they don't. They're American.
They're not American.
They're
They're Chinese.